Ever wondered about the health benefits of the subtle spice white pepper? Welcome to the intriguing world of white pepper, a spice that's not just flavorful but also packed with health benefits. Originating from the peppercorn plant, white pepper undergoes a unique process of cultivation and processing, which gives it its distinctive light color and mild yet complex flavor. It adds depth to various dishes and is a staple in many cuisines around the world. So, we know that white pepper is a unique spice, but what makes it truly special are its surprising health benefits. Did you know that white pepper is more than just a spice? It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's explore these benefits in depth, beginning with its role as a digestive aid. For centuries, white pepper has been used to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve gut health, making it a natural remedy for digestive issues. Next on our list is the anti-inflammatory properties of white pepper. Thanks to compounds like piperine, this spice helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. But that's not all. Piperine also enhances the absorption of nutrients, making your meals not just tastier but healthier too. White pepper also shines as a potent antioxidant, combating oxidative stress and protecting our cells from damage. This antioxidant power contributes to skin health as well, fighting off free radicals and promoting a youthful complexion. For those struggling with respiratory issues, white pepper is a traditional remedy for alleviating coughs and congestion. And if you're looking to manage your weight, studies suggest that the piperine in white pepper can help by boosting metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. But wait, there's more. White pepper can contribute to oral health due to its antibacterial properties, and it's even been used in traditional remedies for pain relief. Lastly, it's believed that white pepper can improve blood circulation, promoting heart health and overall well-being. Clearly, the health benefits of white pepper are as diverse as its culinary uses. Speaking of which, let's dive into how we can incorporate this spice into our dishes. White pepper is a versatile spice that can add depth and flavor to both savory and sweet dishes. It's used extensively in cuisines around the world, from the spicy stir-fries of Southeast Asia to the hearty stews of Europe. It's the secret ingredient in many traditional dishes, lending a subtle heat and a distinctive earthy aroma that elevates the overall flavor profile. White pepper can be more than just a seasoning. It's a culinary tool that can enhance the taste of your dishes. It works well with meats, poultry, and fish, adding a sophisticated touch to marinades and sauces. It can also be used in sweet dishes like fruit compotes and pastries, where it adds an unexpected twist. Storing white pepper correctly is crucial for preserving its flavor. Keep it in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to ensure it stays fresh and aromatic. Using freshly ground white pepper can make a world of difference in your cooking, bringing out the spice's full potential. So there you have it, white pepper, a subtle spice with surprising health benefits. Why not add a dash of it to your next meal and experience the difference?